Okay, here's kind of like an unboxing. I just got this package from Amazon, and I got it, and it arrived. Basically, the knife was actually outside this box, the package box, and so I got it, and I was like, oh, and then the knife was just laying in the. It was laying kind of like in here like this. So it was sealed, but it was like kind of like that. I was like, oh, what happened? Someone must have got into it, or it fell out. So I don't know how it couldn't. I don't know. I got it. It was like the box was not taped or anything, and basically I pulled it out, and the knife was already out of the box, and that'd been fine. I mean, that's all right. I paid $12 for it, but it was just kind of like, I don't know if I can't see how someone tampered with it. It was sealed, but the problem is that the glass breakers were loose. I don't know. I mean, I was kind of disappointed. I tried putting just a torque screw on it, like just see if I tighten it up, because I'm not one to complain too much, but it just turns stripped out. So I don't know, but I was kind of I'm not happy about that. But I bought it because I really love this one, which I got a few weeks ago. This is the Lansky, but this is, by the way, the Lansky unboxing. Was supposed to be unboxing the Lansky, and this is the Lansky Responder X9, and this is just a responder, but it came from the box. This is how I got it, and it has like a stain. It almost feels like glue. Well, I don't know. I guess I'm just disappointed. That's all. I don't really, I'm gonna see if I can't tighten something up. See if I can get this thing to stop moving. I don't think it's worth sending it back, honestly, because I thought it'd be cool having a little smaller version of this knife. It's just, I don't know. It just this is brand new out of the box. That's the way I got it. And there's that stain. I think it's glue. And there's the other side, but it has. Well, my wife said, "Well, it looks like it has wear," but I don't know. That might the big one has the wear like that too. So, but it has. I don't know. It just, I guess, I would have been all right if this glass breaker thing wasn't so jiggly. I still might be all right. I don't know. I might slip a shim in there and be done with it and be happy with it. So, but not quite the way I wanted to go. But so what did I say? But anyway, so I guess I can go back with the actual unboxing. Anyways, this Lansky. It has the 9CR18 steel, so it's pretty good steel. It came already tip up carry, so I like this knife. This one has the plastic. It has plastic liners. This one had G10 because it's the more expensive one. So I knew that going in. The only thing I'm disappointed about this being loose, but and it was out of the box. That was. But anyway, so it's compared to this one. You can see this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's why it's called the X9, because it's 9 inches long. This one's actually, I think, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches long. It's more like your normal everyday carry. It's actually a really nice size. So I will probably fix this puppy up and figure out something. Maybe I think it really just needs a longer. I think it just needs a longer screw to pull that in. But let's see. really got me off script here, what I normally do. I didn't even have none of my other knives. I only got one other knife with me out here, and it's the 511. I just got a few days ago, so there's a size comparison, but don't really need a size comparison. I mean, I got the, I said it's 1, 2, 3, 3.5 inch blade compared to the bigger one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. So it's an inch smaller on the blade, which makes it a little more compact, which is cool. It flicks out with the flick of the wrist. You can get choiled up on it. So that's a real quick unboxing. Let me think. It has I guess a reverse Tanto type style blade, and of course this thing is really, this is a design by this Williamson Urban Tactical. Yeah, so I mean, I guess it fell out of the box and put the box back together. That would have been pretty impressive, but that's the way I found it. Like I said, out of the plastic box. Well, the plastic was in the box. Plastic was in the box. No, it wasn't. It was actually crinkled up, kind of like this, and the knife was right next to it, closed. So, but there, well, it's a nice box, and I get no instruction with it. Usually, I'm pretty sure you usually would have got like something with it. I don't know. I might ship it back. I don't know. I'm contemplating. I might actually ship it back, because it just seems like I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, you know, I don't know if I would have been, if everything would have been in the package and everything, I got my directions and I knew it was sealed and someone didn't use it. It's just the way it came. It's kind of messed up. So I never sent anything back to Amazon, so I don't know how it even works. So, alright, well, that's the short video. Maybe I'll come back with an update on it. Bye.